Hello friends, long time no see. Glad that the Claire from Tender is back from Spring Festival. Hope all you good in the new year. As we know, in daily life we will meet different drinks or bottles in supermarkets or retail stores. So today I would like to introduce different bottle tags to protect the bottles. These two are different shape of bottle tag. This is the mini square bottle tag. I will show how to protect the bottles. First, like this, the rim for the lanyard. Now, very tight. You will just need a USB detacher to pop out the tag, and then like this. Also, this is different M series bottle tags. So if you need F or M different shapes bottle tags, or need a different security solution for your any store, so welcome to talk with me. Have a nice day. I'm waiting for you always here in the new year.